Hello. Good morning to all of you. Today, another topic of reaching the age of adolescence, role of hormones in completing the life cycle of frog and insects, reproductive health, nutritional needs of adolescence. These topics are to be covered. So get ready for your study and try to take out your books and copies. The role of hormones in completing the life cycle of frog and insects. Dear students, you have already studied the life cycle of the frog in the previous chapter. In a frog, the tadpole larval stage hatches from the eggs and passes through the various stages to become an adult. And this transformation from a tadpole to a frog is known as metamorphosis. It means metamorphosis is a change in the body of living organisms, in the body of frog, in the body of insects, in which underdeveloped life stage is changed in the form of the adult stage. That is called metamorphosis. And dear students, don't think that it occurs by itself, but it requires the thyroxine hormone which is secreted by the thyroid gland. आपने पढ़ा है कि मेढक में पहले भाई अंडे हैच करने के बाद क्या निकलते हैं, टैडपोल, और टैडपोल में बहुत सारे फिजिकल चेंजेज आते हैं, बिहेवियरल चेंजेज आते हैं. उसके बाद वो मेटामॉर्फोसिस करके फिर एडल्ट फ्रॉग में कन्वर्ट होता है. एंड दिस प्रोसेस अकर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द सिक्रीशन ऑफ थायरॉक्सिन हार्मोन that is secreted by the thyroid gland in your body also. So, metamorphosis does not take place in the absence of the thyroxine hormone, and for the secretion of thyroxine, iodine is needed. That's why you will find that in those ponds or rivers where iodine percentage is very less or absent, in that watery area, in that pond or in that water resource, if tadpoles are there, they fail to grow into adult. Why? Because if there is no iodine, the function of thyroxine, the function of thyroid gland will not be up to the mark, and no secretion of thyroxine hormone will take place, and that's why the tadpoles fail to grow into the adult. Iodine is needed for the production of thyroxine. It is made available by the water in which the tadpoles are growing. So therefore, here, thyroxine is produced by the thyroid gland in the frog is essential to carry out the process of metamorphosis. Insects also undergo metamorphosis to change from larval to adult forms. This is regulated by the relevant insect hormones. Insects also, they have many phases of the life. For example, the eggs, when they are hatched, they are changed into egg to larva, larva to pupa, and pupa to adult. And this conversion of intermediary stages occurs because of the particular hormones. which are produced by some cells in their brain and endocrine glands located elsewhere in their body. ये जो insects हैं, they are produced by some cells in their brain and endocrine glands located elsewhere in their body. और ये जो ग्लैंड्स हैं ये उनके बॉडी में, ब्रेन में लोकेटेड रहती हैं और उनसे हार्मोन निकलता है और वो हार्मोन निकलेंगे तभी उनमें चेंजेज आएंगे और ये चेंजेज आएंगे तभी उनके बॉडी में चेंजेज आने से, ये परिवर्तन होने से ही वो एडल्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होंगे. Now reproductive health, this is for you. What is the reproductive health? Adolescence is a time of increased growth and development of the body. During this time, a greater need for nutrients coincides with a change in food habits. These in turn influence the nutritional needs. Adolescence is a time of increased growth and development of the body. During this time, a greater need for nutrients coincides with a change in food habits. These in turn influence the nutritional needs. एडोलसेंस वह टाइम है जिसमें ग्रोथ इंक्रीज रहती है, मतलब ग्रोथ ज़्यादा होगी और उस समय डेवलपमेंट भी बॉडी का ज़्यादा होता है. और ऐसे समय में आपका फिजिकल ग्रोथ के साथ साथ रिप्रोडक्टिव ग्रोथ भी होती है और ये फिजिकल रिप्रोडक्टिव ग्रोथ दोनों होती है तो उसमें बच्चे को सबसे ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट्स की डिमांड होती है, क्योंकि न्यूट्रिएंट्स दे विल हेल्प योर बॉडी टू डेवलप इन ए प्रॉपर वे, एंड इफ डेवलपमेंट इज प्रॉपर इट मीन्स दैट यू आर बीइंग सप्लाइड विद द प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट्स. तो चेंज इन द फूड हैबिट्स, आपके फूड हैबिट में भी चेंजेज आना चाहिए. उस समय कुछ एडिशनल न्यूट्रिशनल फूड आपको लेना चाहिए जो आपके एडिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स, हार्मोनल सिक्रीशन और बॉडी में जो चेंजेज आ रहे हैं उसको पूरा कर सके. यदि ऐसा हो रहा है तो इसका मतलब आपका रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ अच्छा है. मीन्स डोंट थिंक दैट रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ इज समथिंग एल्स. As you know that during the puberty stage or adolescence stage, a large number of changes take place in our body, behavioral changes, physical changes, and emotional changes, mental changes take place in the body of a child. And the reason is that because of the secretion of hormones, these hormones are responsible for the changing of behavior, mental changing, psychological changing, physical changing, all kind of changing take place. And for this purpose, the child needs extra nutrients. Therefore, his food habit, his diet, dietary chart, the habit, everything is changed. And more nutritional supply is given to the child so that all the body parts they may develop in a proper way. So rest part you will study in the next slide.